Hey guys, we're here in this new house that we are just about to go to the closing and purchase. We're gonna flip this thing top to bottom. So we're gonna walk you through every step of all the things that we do, from the ceilings all the way down to the floors. We're gonna really give this house a new life.
So welcome to our new adventure. Hopefully we can give you some tips and tricks. This isn't our first rodeo, but it'll be the first time we've actually tried to record and share with everybody, and it's just our new adventure on our roundabout life.
We all fall down, we get banged up, but the scars show what we're made of. Don't you look back, lift your head up, shake the dust off, tell me what you're made of.
Hey, I'm Lane Haley, and this is my assistant, Julie Moran.
It's Moran.
Moran. Hi, and we're here to help you with your closing needs.
First you got something to say. It's a brand new day. 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 When the rain falls, when the ground shakes, when the wind blows, when your heart breaks, show me sorrow, show me laughter, show me starlight, show me what you're after. I can't hear you, I can't hear you, breath in our lungs, beat in our heart. Let's hit the verse, you got something to say. It's a brand new day. 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 See the sunrise. Oh, fire in your eyes. Oh, it's about time we all saw you shine. It's a brand new day. 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 There's a secret through the thunder. There's a storm, but you're not going under. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
So tell them why we bought this house today.
Right here. This is what sold us. Vintage. Okay, day 2 here at the Percheron house. We just closed on Friday. Here it is on Sunday. I think we're making pretty good progress. We've already got all the carpet tore up, all the padding, got all the tack strip tore up, got the wallpaper stripped out of the kitchen, got this nice orange dining room here prepped and ready for paint. And so I think we're moving right along. We got some contractors coming in to help us on Tuesday to start scraping all the popcorn ceilings, and everything kind of hinges on that. It's kind of hard to do any painting, flooring, anything like that until we get all that stuff done. But for 2 days in, I think we're moving right along, and we'll keep you up to date. Okay folks, today we're working on stripping the wallpaper out of this bathroom. Lovely 1996 wallpaper. It's the original wallpaper to the house. Luckily, stripping wallpaper is pretty easy. Basically what you do is you can go down to one of your home stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, and you can buy one of these little kits. And basically what it does, it comes with a scorer, and obviously the liquid to spray it with, and this is actually the key more than this. You just mix it, follow directions, you mix it with water, spray it onto your wallpaper. If you get really like this is like a real vinyl wallpaper. And so sometimes you do have to use the scoring tool just to punch holes in it. You don't want to apply too much pressure because it'll go all the way through and then cause damage to your sheetrock. Luckily on this wallpaper, it's so old, it's already peeling up. And so rather than using the scoring tool on this, we're actually able to just peel it straight off, but then that leaves the paper underlayment that's glued to the sheetrock. And on it is so thin, you don't have to use the scoring tool. You can just spray it with your liquid, and it will just, once you get it wet, this stuff is real slick. It's just a matter of spraying it down, give it a few minutes to penetrate through, and then it will literally just slide right off. Sometimes you pull it off the whole sheet at a time, if you're lucky. We're going to set this on time lapse and kind of show you a little bit of what we do. Through the magic of time lapse, bathroom's all done. In all seriousness, it really only took us probably just a little over an hour to strip all this. A couple little notes I should have mentioned before we started. Make sure you turn the power off, because you do have to take faceplates off, outlets and switches. We did back over here over the counter. We've got the light bar, which we had to undo. Granted, I do have it lit because we needed it for the camera lighting, but that's not a smart thing to do. Always make sure you turn the power off, because you don't want to get shocked or electrocuted while you're spraying wet stuff all over the place.
And also another tip is to take a utility blade and go around any mirrors or countertops that may be caulked, things like that, around the cabinets, just because it will help the wallpaper to let go and come up in a cleaner line, and it'll cause you less trouble later.
All right, we're going to show you a surround view here, just so you can kind of see what it looks like now that all the wallpaper's down. Again, easy, quick.
Virtually painless.
Yeah. And the next time you see this bathroom, what else we got planned in here is obviously all new light fixtures. The cabinet's actually in really good shape, so we're just going to paint it out. It's good and solid, and we'll be tiling the whole floor, new toilet, all that good stuff. So we may do a quick time lapse as we're installing the tile in here, but then hopefully next time you see the whole inside of this bathroom, it'll be completely made over.
Stay tuned.